Today, my friends, I have one of the, if not the most anticipated tools to ever hit the market. And in today's video, we're gonna open up this box. We're gonna see what it comes with and what it doesn't. So if you're planning on buying this tool here, you might wanna watch the whole video before you do. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Tool Review Zone channel. Now, this is, like I mentioned, probably the most anticipated tool that's ever hit the freaking market. This is the all-new Milwaukee M18 Track Saw. A lot of people call it a plunge saw, whatever. Now, what's really cool about this right off the bat is it comes in a pack-out case, which is actually pretty freaking genius. If you buy this in this kit style like we have today, and we're gonna open this up, we'll show you what it comes with, you're gonna get that pack out, and you're gonna say to yourself once you buy it, I might as well just add on to my pack out. So it's not a bad marketing thing when it comes to the Milwaukee IA packaging here. And just to let you know, Milwaukee IA, their pack out is fantastico. But Milwaukee basically was coming out with this thing 2 years ago, and then they didn't come out with it 2 years ago, and that was last year, and they didn't come out with it last year, but it's finally here, and I'm just gonna stop the talking. We're gonna open this up, and we'll talk about what you need to know before you purchase this track saw. So let's get this thing going. Very, very exciting. All right, so let's take this cardboard off first. And again, this is a 6.5 inch plunge saw or track saw, whatever you want to call it. I call it a track saw. Let's open this bad boy. Oh, there you go. So there's the first part of that sweet unboxing. Now, if you're wondering which piece of the pack out that you're getting, this is going to be your middle box, right? So you're going to have the lower box with the rollers, you know, your bottom box and your middle box right here. So yeah, this all pack out. Nice latches. Love the sweet pack out. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, wait a minute. Go smash that like button. Smash that like button. Please smash that like button. We'll get this box open up. Thank you for smashing that like button. Ready? Very bright in there. Okay, so let me move my camera over to you. Come on. I'm gonna be gentle with you. Come on. Yeah, there you go. All right, so first up in the box, you got your battery charger instructions, and you got your track saw, plunge saw instructions. So we're gonna put those right there. We're gonna give you that sweet track saw blade. Again, this is a 6.5. Come on now. Okay, so it comes in that big box, nothing else in that box right there. Okay, so right here, this is, you know, Milwaukee has pretty nice blades. Not bad, so I don't have any issues using this right here. But again, this is the 6.5 inch. Oh, that's a 42 right there. So you get a couple extra teeth on there. Make those cuts real nice and smooth. All right, we'll put that right there. Now, looks like you got a sweet battery. But what size battery do you have? We'll just open that battery up right there. Okay. Okay, you're gonna get a 6.0 high output battery. So I'm happy about this. They gave you a 6.0 high output battery. So you're gonna have the best of the best when it comes to the larger cells. You're gonna be able to run that, so hopefully this thing doesn't sag, bog down, shouldn't. And then you're gonna have the 6.0, which is a larger battery. You're gonna be able to do the slicing and the dicing with that. So that's good, the 6.0 battery. Okay, and then inside here, you're gonna get the charger with this. This is good. This is a rapid charger. I figure for sure, I would have bet any moolah that they were gonna throw in just a basic charger. No, that's a rapid charger, my friends. Good on Milwaukee IA. I don't need that box right there no more. Now comes the moment you've all been waiting for. The Milwaukee IA. This bad boy is the track saw. Man, that is beastly. That's a beastly track saw. There's another goodie in here. Okay, you got your dust collection bag right here. Now, if you want to hook that dust collection bag up there, or you want to hook your vacuum up right there, it doesn't matter, but you do have the option to hook up the dust collection bag. What's in there? Oh, just some of those weird beans. I'll get those out later. Actually, I'll get it out right now. Well, they put a lot of those beans in there. Very strange. Don't throw it away though. You got this piece right here. I'm gonna figure out what that does. I'm not really sure yet. I'm sure everybody's watching this video like, I know what it is. Okay. All right. So what's cool about this and what I like about this, what they did with this pack out, check this out. So they didn't just throw this thing in a pack out case. They actually got some like heavy duty styrofoam that you can actually put your track saw back in and take this with you on the job site. So if you're using a pack out, you're toting around your tools. Well, this right here, you put your battery over here, you can put your saw over there, your charger over here. So I like how they customized this box to an extent and allows you to carry this thing around without just throwing everything in there. As a matter of fact, I'll say that's real nice. Now, when we opened this box, it was really cool to see that stuff in there, but you're missing a few things. And there's a couple of different ways that you can purchase this track saw. I'll put a link in the description below for all the different ways you can buy this. But you gotta make sure that you know what you're getting before you spend that money. So if you were to buy this kit by itself, just like that, you're not going to get the tracks. Now, they do have a kit that you can buy just like this, that you can buy the tracks, but you have to make sure that you purchase the right one. The other cool thing about this, in which I do appreciate them doing, is that you don't have to buy it in a kit like this. So you don't have to spend the extra money if you don't want on the pack out kit. You can go out and actually buy this tool only. But you also have to make sure that you get your guide rails for your tracks. Let's open up those tracks real quick right there. Oh yeah, got a handle right there. So real quick, let me show you the guide rails real quick. So you're gonna need these if you're using the track 48-08-0574. They're gonna come in a tubage, just like that. So let me go ahead and put all this stuff back in here. We'll open up those tracks. I'll let you see what they look like. I don't wanna lose any of this stuff right here. Got my blade right there, I'll put that in there. You know, put this thing away. I'll tell you, this thing is built solid, just like any other Milwaukee IA tool. If you ever pick one up, you know what they feel like. This is built very well. I like how the bat ray goes up in the front like that. All right, so here is how the tracks are gonna come. Now, if you buy these, you can buy them in different lengths. You can buy a single track, double tracks, extend them as far as you want. Oh my, would you look at that? Right there. Yeah, open that bad boy. Oh, come on, baby. So we got a 55-inch guide rail right here, and that's fine for me because I'm usually never cutting anything much bigger than that. So let's open this box up. And a lot of cardboard for all these, but it's good. It means protection. So there's a lot of protection in this right here. You can see, check that out. So you don't want anything banged up or dented. You don't want to get that saw stuck on those tracks. Come on, man. That's a moment of truth right there. Yeah. Oh my. Okay. So like I said, a lot of protection. I don't think you can see it, but a lot of protection in that box. So that, my friends, that's real nice. Man, this thing ain't no joke. What I like about this, you got that longer section without it being pieced together like some of the less expensive ones, I would say. This is just one solid track. Feels really heavy duty. Let me open this up right here. Oh, look at that. It's all shiny. I love shiny. Oh, look at that. The Milwaukee IA logo on the back here. This is the first time I'm seeing this, obviously. So there you go. This is the can you see that? The trackage right there? Oh, yeah, okay. That, my friends, is real nice like. So I can't wait to start using and abusing, slicing and dicing with this right here. I love that Molly. It's just a sticker. It's not etched, but that's still very cool. And yeah, this is a nice solid track. Okay, all right. And just so you know, if you're looking on buying those tracks separately for whatever reason, 48-08-0571. I mean, this thing feels legit. I mean, this is a really nice track. Listen, hey. Listen, I understand that it took them a little while, and I was getting upset. A lot of people were getting upset. I'm just happy to dang things here. I can't say damn. I have to say dang. Happy to dang things here. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. So here's the deal. You know, price-wise, that's going to be up to you. We already went over those prices. If you think it's worth it, then you buy it. And if you don't, then you don't buy it. Now, one of the things that you're probably wondering is, can I use other saws on this track, or can I use the Milwaukee IA saw with other tracks? Well, that's all going to be part of the next video. I don't want to stretch this out. We're going to do a second video of the slicing and dicing, the using and abusing. I'll get all that information, what I can find out for you, and I'm going to post that this week. So you want to get subscribed, hit that bell notification so you don't miss it. I'm very, very excited about checking this out for the first using and abusing, slicing and dicing. Also, if you like this video, there's another one for you right there. You're going to love that video. I'm telling you right now, you're going to love it. Share this one out, because if you do, you send it to a friend, they're going to like you way more than they already do. Thank you to the members of this channel, the subscribers, and the viewers. With that, smash that like button. We'll be back with more videos soon.